Deciding it could no longer keep itself secret, the SCP Foundation went public in 2028. Now there are adverts to join the Foundation on billboards all over the world, and checkpoints have been set up in the middle of cities to search for anomalies. World governments have declared their support for the SCP Foundation, openly giving them funding and legal authority. The public now lives knowing that monsters and the supernatural are real.